Chapter 9. Sounds of Animals. Animals make different sounds to communicate and express their feelings. Each animal has its own unique sound. Dogs bark to warn or protect, and sometimes they whine or growl when they feel different emotions. Cats meow to get attention and purr when they are happy. They sometimes hiss if they feel threatened. Cows make a moo sound which they use to call out to each other. Sheep and goats say bark or bleat, often when they are calling their young or looking for food. Birds chirp and sing, filling the air with music. Different birds have different songs. Lions roar loudly to show their power and communicate with their pride. Snakes hiss to warn others and protect themselves. Horses neigh or whinny when they are excited or calling other horses. Frogs croak near ponds, especially at night, to find friends. These sounds help animals connect with each other and express their needs or emotions. Hearing the sounds of animals around us reminds us of the lively world we live in and how animals communicate in their own special ways.